everyone, and welcome back to Nine Nails Garage. Today we're going to be working on the 2017 Ram 1500 again. We're going to be getting everything back together on it, getting the windows in, door panels, all the trim, molding, seals, stuff like that. We're going to put the bed on it. We also have an awesome set of rough country bumpers, front and rear, that we're going to paint, and we're going to throw on the truck as well. In the previous videos, we did a lot of paint work on the truck. We did a bunch of body work to it, and we painted it from red to blue. The truck is looking great. We got everything all wet sanded and buffed out, and it is just looking awesome. Super happy with the way the paint came out, and as you can see, everything is like glass. We got it all sanded down with 2000 grit, and then we buffed it and compounded it, and then we polished it, and we got everything just looking perfect. Got a few spots that I touched up, and gonna have to wet sand those down as well and buff them out, but just super happy with the truck, the way it's coming along. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started by pulling off all the masking, and we're gonna get started on the interior. So it is bright and early the next day in the garage here, and we're going to get started on the Ram. Hopefully we can get the bed on it today, we can get the bumpers painted, and continue on from there. We'll probably get the bumpers put on a different date. It'll still be a part of this video, but we'll continue with that. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to move the truck to the front garage, and we'll put the bed on it and see how it looks. So we got the bed all put on the truck, bolted on, it's all ready to go. We got the splash shields installed, got the gas cap all in, and it's looking awesome. I'm super excited about it. We've got some rough country boxes over here. These are only a few of the boxes that we got, but I figured we'd pull out the VERTEX shocks and have a little look at them, give you guys a little sneak peek, because they are awesome. Super excited about them. They are gonna look amazing on this truck. We got our front rough country bumper in that big box right back there. We got our rear rough country bumper right in that box, and we've got our exhaust. So now let's get to it. We're gonna get these bumpers out of the boxes. We're gonna see what's in there. I think we got some LED lights and some goodies, but we're gonna get them out. We're gonna get them prepped for paint. Then we're gonna go ahead and paint them. All right, so we went ahead, we got the old sensor holes all welded up and ground down. We did a little bit of filler on top of them just to make sure they're perfectly smooth. Everything is looking good. My wife is in here giving me a hand. Say hi. Hello. And she's wiping down the bumpers. We're getting all the wax and grease off of them with wax and grease remover. Now we've got our sealer all mixed up over here. It is ready to go. We've got our inflatable spray booth all set up outside. So we're gonna go ahead, move these things into the booth and get to paint. So it is actually a few days later, and I do have to apologize. I wasn't able to get painting the bumpers on film. Had some camera issues, the camera battery died, and my SD card was full. So not working with the best equipment here, just trying to get it done. And unfortunately, that's what happens sometimes. But the bumpers are behind me, and they did turn out absolutely amazing. I did bring them in here right away, and I buffed them, well, wet sanded, buffed, and polished them. And I think they came out pretty dang nice. Had a little issue over here. I actually sanded through the base coat a little bit, so had to mask it off and throw another layer on there with another layer of clear. I'm definitely very happy with the way these came out, and I think they're gonna look awesome on the truck. We've got our grills that go on here, little step pads that are powder coated black. We also have black LED pods that are going to go in here, and I think it's just going to look really good. So we got our front bumper over here, and again we've got 2 LED pods that go in there. We've got hooks that go there, D-rings, I'm sorry, grills that go here, light bar here, and yeah, more LEDs. So I think these are going to be really nice bumpers. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I think they're really just going to set the truck off and make it look really nice. So here we got our LEDs that are going to go in the front bumper, 2 on each side. We got our mounting brackets that came with the kit, also mounting hardware, D-rings, wiring harnesses. We've got our, I believe this is a 20-inch light bar, rough country, that goes in the front there. Also more harnesses, instructions, mounting brackets, all the goodies. This is for the back bumper, and these are the flush mount LED cubes. So pretty excited about those. I think it's going to look awesome in that back bumper and really going to look good. These I haven't shown you yet, but these are the headlights that are going in the truck. So pretty excited about these. They have LED, I think they're daylight running lights. These illuminate white, and then this illuminates amber for the turn signal. So really happy with those. Hope they fit the truck good and look good, but I think they're gonna look okay. Got a lot of work to do. It is getting late already, so hopefully we can get it done and see how the front of the truck looks. Let's go ahead and get to work. There you go, we got both front and rear bumpers on the truck and looking absolutely amazing. I'm really happy with the way it looks, really happy with these rough country bumpers, and I'm definitely super happy that I painted them. It was a lot more work, but in the end, it is definitely worth it. I love the black accents in there. I love the little step accents, and yeah, I love the black lights, the way they look. Just love the way this truck is coming along. We didn't get a chance to put the exhaust on it today, but we will do that in a different video. Love the front. I'm gonna get black D-rings for it. That's why I don't have them on there right now. I think the silver ones would look a little goofy. So yeah, I will leave the links to where I got the bumpers, the headlights. I'll leave those in the description down below. So in the next video, we will be installing our 6-inch rough country VERTEX reservoir shock lift kit on this truck. It's really gonna set it off. It's gonna give it that final touch. Those wheels, yeah, wait until we get that lift kit on there. We've got some awesome wicked black wheels that are going on it, and with milled accents, it's gonna look really good. This is a good looking truck and it's gonna look even better. So we also have the electric side steps that we're gonna put on and the rough country dual exhaust. So stay tuned for that. There's a lot more to come on this truck and it's gonna look even better. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.